Good morning, my brothers. I wanted to uh, make this quick video to highlight a little bit about how to advertise in the Chapter app. It's very important for us to find additional streams of income, as we all know. We can't depend on dues only to sustain our organization and also allow us to go out there and do some good things in the community. So advertising in the Chapter app, I think it's critical. I'm anticipating that we can generate at least up to $3,000 to $5,000 a year directly into the coffers. Now, as the owner of Chapter app and a member of IKL, I am not asking for any revenue sharing in this endeavor. Normally, with all my customers, we have a revenue split of 75 to 25%. In this case, I'm waiving the 25%. So all the money can be utilized at IKL. And the cost of the ad ranges anywhere between $300 to $500 a year. So at $300, that's about $25 a month for a sponsor. I would go for the $500 level and give them a full package. When I'm talking about the full package is, here's a sample app, right? So each ad highlights a call to action button, which is located in the top right-hand corner. There's a website link on the bottom left and an email on the bottom right. So if a person clicks on the call button, it will automatically dial the number on their cell phone to the potential VIP partner. Website takes you to the website, email link takes you to email. And the information in here will be placed in here for you to read about the partner. Now, this information, these ads, we put together ourselves and we post it on the app. On the app. All we need is their website. Really, we go and pluck things from the website, images and the information, and then we put it all together for them. So that's one area of, say, for example, that's $300 a year. Okay. To add more, for example, they want to add a video. They can add a video. So let's say Mercedes-Benz has a new electric car coming out. They can advertise the commercial in a sense right here. All they have to do is have it on YouTube, and then we'll pull it down from YouTube and put it here. Up here now, they can also have additional images of the car itself or some text. Another area where advertisers can get their message out is in the login section of the app. We have areas that we can put their buttons in the sense of their images, their logo. We click on that logo, take it directly to the website. Events tab, similar situation. We also can send out up to 3 or 4 times a year a push notification that each brother would get, and also each member of the community would get. That's why it's so important for us to, every time we go out there, advertise our app. Let people in the community know this is how you reach IKL, and that way those eyeballs can also be explained and shown to the advertiser that his message gets out to more than just the brotherhood. Alpha by the numbers. As you may or may not know, there's more than 200,000 alpha men initiated since December 4th, 1906. The median household income of 72% of the fraternity's membership ranges between $50,000 to $150,000 annually. 65% of the fraternity's membership holds a graduate degree. More than 20% of the fraternity's members identify as a United States veteran. The reason I'm giving you these numbers is because this is what advertisers want to hear. They want to know how much money we're making. They want to know our level of education, and they want to know how many chapters we are, across the world. So you can use this information to beef up your proposal to the advertiser. Now, again, I'm looking at car dealers. I'm looking at insurance salespeople. I'm looking at folks who are in need, restaurateurs, people we visit, people we frequent. Those are the ones I want you guys to start talking to. And if you don't feel comfortable closing a deal, just give me a call, provide information, make an introduction, and I will try to close the deal for you. Quick overview of advertising in the IKL app. Thank you.